I'm Brad Gardner with East Coast Yacht Sales, and welcome aboard Audrey Louisa. Audrey Louisa is a 2013 47-foot Maine cat. This boat is very well equipped, screams extended cruising, and has all the luxuries of home that you would want when out for an extended cruise. I'm going to take you for a video tour, so here we go. Coming down the starboard side of Audrey Louisa, the 47-foot Maine cat. Very distinct hull design, a lot of freeboard, a lot of hull out of the water. Step right into the cockpit. On the aft bulkhead you have a second Volvo station. This boat handles very well with traditional twin sticking, with one engine in gear, one engine in reverse, one in forward, one in reverse. In the cockpit we have a great big bench seating, storage on both sides, large teak table as a centerpiece. You can easily see yourself hanging out, having dinner back here. And then let's go up the wide gunnels on the starboard side. Gunnels are very wide on this boat, very easy to maneuver yourself. And then let's go up to the fly bridge, and we can just see how much control and view of the boat you have from the fly bridge. Garmin electronics, Volvo controls, heated seats, got a great El Settee here with a table off to starboard. And off to the port side you have your wet bar with some storage and your seating. And once again you can see how 360 you have a great view to be able to control this boat from this helm and still be a part of any entertainment that's happening behind you. And you come aft to the fly bridge, we have our solar panel set up. Now let's head into the salon of Audrey Louisa. Okay, we get into the salon of the boat, immediately greeted by teak and holly flooring, a lot of great fit and finish. We'll start in the galley, which is off to the starboard side. We got fridge and freezer, double drawers, tons of space. A lot of storage, those are deep. Matching set, one fridge, one freezer. Double basin sink, dishwasher here off to the aft bulkhead, and then the Force 10 stovetop and up. On the aft bulkhead you have your command center of Audrey Louisa, all of your 24 volt and DC systems all controlled from back here. And we have our washer and dryer combo also against the aft bulkhead in this beautiful countertop. Audrey Louisa is incredibly well outfitted with all of the beautiful cabinetry and storage. So when you're ready for your extended cruise, you can bring everything you need on this boat. Once again, let's just look at it. There's just storage everywhere. So you have the U-shaped galley to starboard, and as we come up the port side of the boat, we have a great bench seat off to the port side, storage down below again. This bench seat also folds out and becomes another berth, so your sleeping arrangements on this boat can be pretty unique. Off to the starboard we have an L-shaped settee with a table that drops down to another berth. You can sleep quite a few people on this boat in a very unique range of berths in terms of layout. You can see we're outfitted here with Garmin electronics, backup display for Simrad, your Volvo readouts. Similar to the second station up on the fly bridge, we have great visibility of this boat. So when we're owner operator in command, we got 360 view all the way around. Very, very easy to operate this boat. And once again, we have to highlight the fit and finish of this boat and the storage. That is just every nook and cranny that could have had a drawer or door was set up so that you could be on this boat long term. Forward windows open up. It's a little warm today, so we got the windows open. A little more command up at the helm. So let's go down into our starboard hull first. Just three steps down, and we are greeted going forward into the boat, into the starboard hull. We're greeted by our master stateroom. Once again, fit and finish, and storage was a priority on this boat. Vizio TV. And then now we're in the starboard hull. So as we head aft, we have the head, very large head. And then look at this shower. This is a walk-in shower, multiple shower heads, very big space. You can walk in and completely turn around. You know, I'm 6'4", you know, there's 5-6 inches above my head. So there's plenty of clearance in this boat. Height is not an issue. Some storage down below here. Nice easy access to our Dometic air conditioning system. Very easy to get to. And now let's go into the port side hull. And now let's go forward into the guest stateroom. This guest stateroom is very unique. Once again, lots of storage, but it has a fold down berth here. So there's cushions that can go on this berth, and now you have another single berth basically. So if anybody's keeping score right now, we have the master with 2 people that can sleep there. We have this guest stateroom with 2 people, 3 kids maybe could sleep here. The fold-out couch on the pilot house here, in the pilot house here. So another 1 or 2 people there, maybe 2 kids. And then the drop-down center table in the settee, which is basically another full bed. So 2, 4, 6, 8 people are going to be on this boat comfortably sleeping, no problem. This current owner had a little drop-down custom setup too, so when he had the grandkids on board, you know, we were able to makeshift another berth. So let's head aft to the guest head. Beautiful head. This is huge space. Same thing into a stall shower. Once again, just a big space. No headroom issues. You know, you walk in, turn around completely, and you're able to walk out without issue. Now let's head back up into the pilot house. Great light and visibility all throughout the boat as well. It's really good natural light coming into the boat. So let's head aft and go into the mechanical space. First thing we'll see in the port side hull is the Northern Lights generator. Got your Raycor fuel management, reverse oil change system, and then you'll see the Volvo D3 220s. All of your electrical and plumbing as well forward here. And that's on the port side hull. Let's take a walk over to the starboard side hull. Similar setup. Volvo D3 220s, electrical systems, plumbing, and then we got Raycor fuel management and Garmin autopilot pump. Storage for spare props as well. Thank you for joining me for this video walkthrough of Audrey Louisa, the 47-foot Maine Cat. If you have any questions about this boat at all, please feel free to call, text, or email. My information is below this video. Thank you.